It's a Marshall show.
Hello everybody, it's Marshall, back with another video, and today I'm here with my sister,
Raquel.
Our Uncle John sent us this amazing Capri Summer 2020 sock kit where you can customize and design your socks.
Yes.
So today,
we're gonna make socks, tie-dye socks, and let's do it. I hope you enjoy the video.
Alright, let's see what's inside it, but first, that packaging looks absolutely amazing. First, we have 2 pairs of white Nike socks, the instructions, your just add water dye for the socks. You also have some rubber gloves and some rubber bands for tying the socks. Completely soak each of the socks in water, which helps the dye to adhere better to the socks. Fill up each of the pre-filled powder dye bottles with water. Make sure not to get it on your fingers. Then shake it up until it is completely dissolved. Wrap up each of the socks in your desired design with the rubber bands. You can do whichever design you want, including the one that I'm doing here. Next, apply each different color of the dye to all the different parts of the sock. Make sure to get both the outside and the inside so then the entire sock is covered. And this is what we have after dyeing the socks. Let the socks sit for about 6 to 9 hours to allow the dye to set. Wrap them in a plastic bag to keep the moisture in, which helps the dye to set better. Then rinse each of the socks under cold water until the water runs clear. Finally, put the socks in the washer alone and then either put them in the dryer or hang dry them. And this is my final product. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and I really hope that you guys enjoy them as well. If any of you decide to do this DIY, I would love to see them. Send them to me on Snapchat at the Marshall Show, no spaces, or on Instagram at the_Marshall_show. And there's me walking around in my brand new socks. Look at how amazing they look.
I hope you enjoy the video.
if you did, please don't forget to leave a like down below and comment below if you want to do more stuff like this. Huge thanks to Uncle John for sending us this because we love doing it. He also sent us another one where you take black socks and you bleach them and then you dye them so it looks kind of like a galaxy. If you want us to do that, comment down below. And subscribe for more amazing content like this. Memento mori, una sanas. And remember, don't forget to enjoy life and have a great day. And I'll see you all next time.
Next time. I hope you have fun. Next time. Bye. Oh, I don't know.